Okay guys, I'm gonna show you one of the most beautiful triangles you have seen on this chart right here. And after I show you the chart, I'm gonna explain why the triangle is one of the most beautiful triangles you have ever seen. And at the end of the video, you're gonna click the like if you think this is one of the most beautiful triangles you have seen. Do you have a deal? Okay, check this out now. You see this? This is beautiful. What's happening right now, it's we are in this triangle over here. This was a fake breakout and this was Corona fake also breakout. They didn't happen twice. So why are these two lines really important? Well, it hits the lines a lot of times and confirms what we already know. If you see the bottom line, it hits it over here. The bottom line, I mean, it depends how you draw it, but it's not that important. The top line is the important one. The bottom line just says like, because we are more interested in resistance now than support. But anyways, it hits it over here, all of this here. It used as a resistance over here, support here, support here. Now the top line, check this top line. Now it looks like it's using is as a resistance over here, resistance over here. So the resistance over here, resistance, support, support, support. Then broke down hard over here, broke up hard over here. Resistance, resistance. This one here, down here was no, sorry, yeah, resistance, resistance. This was support, 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 right? And it went here. So it hits the lines a lot of times, and that's really important because the more it hits the lines, the harder, stronger, the more confirmation we get that these are the right lines to watch. Now check this out, the 20 moving average on the weekly, one of the most important moving averages everybody is watching. And look at what it's doing. It's going down, and now it's going up. And what's it gonna do? It's gonna go up or down. We don't know. We are interested to find out what's it gonna do, right? But right now it looks really good because it gives us some kind of confirmation that this is the real triangle to follow right now. So what everybody's asking right now is this over here pump that we just had. Is it a real pump? Is it a fake pump? What's happening? And I'm here to tell you that we are not actually testing the resistance, we are testing the support of the line. Now on the weekly we might be testing the resistance because we are going up, we're trying to break it, we are already above it, and I'm going to show you why we are above it and not below it. We are above it, and on the daily we are testing it as support. We already once tested this as support over here, and now we're testing for second day as a support. And if it holds, I think the weekly will stay above. Now the question is, why did I draw the line below here and not atop here? Because if you draw it on top here, you don't get all those hits on the wicks and on the tops and bottoms, right? So it makes more sense to make it below it. That's why I think that the line below and not above is the more correct line. You can draw it on top of line, but you won't get the same amount of hits and this correct line as it's right now. So if my theory is correct, that we are actually testing it as a support, that means that soon we'll go, if the support holds, we're gonna moon hard again. And that means sometimes next week, because first we have to see if the weekly is gonna stay above the line. If it does stay above the line, all good. And now you know what to do.